Hello guys and welcome to a new video tutorial of Framer. We are going to be learning this prototyping tool to create awesome animations on any device. In this case we are going to be talking about hierarchy, and it's very important because sometimes you want to place an element taking into consideration the other one. For example, in this case, we want to center the buttons in relationship with the tooltip box. So in this case, we have a layer can have a parent or a child. Parent layers are called superlayers, and child layers are called sublayers. And remember that layers inherit properties from their parents or superlayers. These are the two ways to define the parent, in this case, and a children. We are going to be talking about that, looking in my code. So in this case, we have, first of all, I want to talk about this one. It has no parent, and the x and y position is 0, so it's in relationship with the canvas. And as I told you before, the position starts from the top left corner. So it says 0x and it's here. It's called red too because there is another one here. This red square is a child of the yellow box. So the x and y values are 0, but as you can see, it's the left top corner of the yellow box, not the canvas. So how do we write that? Like this. Red has a superlayer, it means has a parent, and it's called yellow. Yellow here is the parent of red, and red, of course, is the child of yellow. So yellow is the parent of red, so red is in the corner of yellow. If you want to set another parent, it must be called before this line. I mean, after these lines. What it means, if you want to define a parent, you can't do it here. It must be before defining the two elements here. Another way to write the same, or to get the same result, is using the child code instead of parent. So child, we call a child with this word sublayers. It means that yellow has a child called red. So we can copy and paste it here, and we are going to have the same result. Yellow has a child and it's red. In this case, there is another way to define a parent. So we have the violet box and the green one, and we want to center the green box in relationship with the violet one. So we write this inside the properties. You can comment this line. Inside the properties of the element, we write superlayer and the name of the parent. In this case, violet. And we can define the position of the green box, like if you want to be 10 or 40, but maybe we just want to center the green box, so we use this code. We can also center it vertically or horizontally, like this. And as I told you before, we have this red box called red 2 that has no parent, so the position is in relationship with the canvas. Okay, after this we can talk a little bit about the types of layers. We have images, videos, and text. It's very simple. After you define your layer, you only have to write video and add the name of the file. The same for image, and add the name of the image using these double quotes, and layer, the name of the layer, HTML, to define the text. To finish this video, we are going to summarize all we have been talking about. So layers are defined by properties. Layers have hierarchy and inherit properties from their parents. Layers can be transformed, scaled, masked, rotate, and more. Layers can contain images, videos, and text. So that's all for now. Thanks.